Hi, my name is Doug Dickinson, and we're at the Destination Athlete headquarters with Dr. Jarrod Spencer of Mind of the Athlete. Dr. Jarrod Spencer, we work with a lot of student athletes, and it just seems that a lot of them have a lot of fatigue and stress. The word fatigue, can you elaborate on that and share with us just what that does to an athlete when they are fatigued?
Well, fatigue is very important to an athlete because essentially the number one factor in performance is actually sleep. And many athletes can get a competitive advantage if they make some adjustments in their sleep, thus ending their fatigue. For example, athletes that go to bed consistently have better performance. We know that if an individual goes to bed at the exact same time and gets up at the exact same time, after 3 nights, they tend to feel much better. This is one reason why athletes tend to feel really good on Thursdays and Fridays, but oftentimes will struggle on a Monday or Tuesday because they stayed up late on a Friday or a Saturday night. If you're an athlete, get a competitive advantage by avoiding the trap of staying up late on a Friday or Saturday night or sleeping in on a Saturday or Sunday morning. If you do this, you're going to feel better on Monday and Tuesday. You're going to have better performance in practice. You're going to have better academic success, and you're actually going to perform a little bit better. In addition to this, a 26-minute nap is key for optimal performance. We know that 8 hours after you wake up, ideally, you would have a little bit of a rest. But many athletes will sleep too long, oftentimes on bus rides, and feel tired and irritable and cranky. It actually is counterproductive to take a very long nap. But according to a study by NASA, it showed among the creme de la creme pilots that they put them into 2 studies. One group actually took a 26-minute nap and took a flight simulator test that evening. The other group took no nap and took the same test. And what they found were the pilots that actually had a 26-minute nap, just enough for them to kind of ramp down into Delta 1 sleep and then come back up, outperformed their competitors by 34% on the same flight simulator test. If we know it works for NASA and their pilots, we know that it can work for athletes as well. Keep your sleep consistent and get a 26-minute nap.